Hi, it's Grant here, and in today's lesson I'm going to show you how to write Facebook ads like an absolute pro. Now, the truth of the matter is that your messaging and ad copy is the single most important part of your Facebook ad campaign next to your actual offer. And the way you construct your Facebook ads and your messaging in 2019 is going to determine the success that you get moving forward in 2019, because a lot of the old sort of copywriting processes and a direct response copywriting techniques that people used to use in Facebook ads do not work anymore. And what I'm going to do for you in this lesson is I'm going to walk you through one of my favorite ads that I've seen this year, and the copy process that I'm going to show you is exactly how you should be writing all of your Facebook ads in 2019. So just for a bit of context, I did not write this ad. This was written by another agency, but the copy process that you're going to be seeing is the copy process that you should be using in 2019, and it is going to get you the best results possible from your Facebook ads. So with that said, let's walk you through this ad. So this ad is for a business called Smart Music Business, and this guy is selling a digital product which teaches people how to stream music on Spotify. So this is an ad that's going straight to the shopping cart, so he's going direct for the sale from this ad, and I do believe this ad is going out to stone cold traffic. And before I get into walking you through the ad, I do believe this ad and the offer is acquiring customers at somewhere between $27 to $29, and the purchase price for this offer is $47. So this ad and the offer is acquiring customers at a pretty decent return on investment, especially considering that the front end product is such a low ticket item. So this goes to show how important the messaging is on your ads, because most of the grunt work and the most of the success this ad is seeing is from the way the copywriter or the agency has written this particular ad. So let's walk you through the ad so you can understand how to go. So what I typically see when most people sort of write their Facebook ads is they open up with a question. They'll sort of say, are you a business owner? Are you having this problem? And the problem with that is that it's such an intrusive question. Just imagine if you walked into a room and someone sort of just asked you a really sort of intrusive question. Do you think you'd want to answer it or hang around? No, you wouldn't. And it's the same thing with your ads. You got to write your ads like you're sort of walking into a room and introducing yourself. Your ad's got to be very conversational, but it's got to be immediately clear, sort of like the problem you solve and the solution you've got. And I'm going to show you how they've done this in this ad. So when beginning the opening in the ad, it's all about engaging the prospect and giving proper context on their situation. So basically when someone sees your ad, when they're scrolling through the newsfeed, the first thing they will look at is the first sentence or two. And when they look at that first sentence or two, they will decide whether they want to engage in the rest of your ad. So that first sentence has really got to set proper context of your ideal prospect's situation. And I'll sort of show you how they've done it, the copywriter wrote this is sort of done it for this ad. So I'll just read the opening sentence for you. This is engaging the prospect and giving proper context. So it says, why getting paid for your online streams is 10x easier than trying to sell your albums from stage, and how you can get paid every time fans stream your song. So basically he's introducing a new opportunity, which is streaming the music, compared to the old way, or the big problem his audience is having, which is selling their albums from stage. And there's a big benefit at the end, which is how you can get paid every time fans stream your song. So basically what he's doing is he's giving proper context to his ideal audience's situation. So his ideal audience is still trying to sell CDs from stage, but he's introducing a newer and easier way that will help them to get paid for their music a lot faster and get paid more for doing it. So he's setting proper context, but opening up his ad in a very conversational but a very direct way that isn't intrusive. So basically it's like the conversation starter, but as soon as someone reads that, they know it's exactly right for them if it's his target audience. So I'll read you the next part of the ad now. So it says, it's no secret that most people don't buy CDs like they used to, but they do stream music all day. So basically he's hitting the problem absolutely on the head. So basically his target audience are trying to sell CDs on the stage, but he's saying it's no secret that people don't buy CDs like they used to, but they do stream music all day. So he's going from the problem that people don't buy CDs anymore, and he's pivoting into the solution. Then it goes on to say, what if I told you this actually works to your advantage? Because now artists can get paid every time someone listens to their songs on Spotify. It's so much easier to just get people to listen to your music rather than trying to sell your album. You might as well get paid for it. People are listening to your songs anyway. So basically what he's doing here, he's identified the problem in a really sort of indirect and sort of negative way, which is absolutely critical. You mustn't be negative in your Facebook ads. So he's identified the problem, and then he pivots into the solution, and then basically he walks people through, it's kind of like, or illustrates the solution in action, but he's sort of painting the opportunity, saying, you know, that people stream music all day, and he says, what if I told you this actually works to your advantage? Because now artists can get paid every time someone listens to their songs on Spotify, and it's so much easier just to get people to listen to your music rather than trying to sell your album. So he's illustrating a new way of selling their music, and then he's going to pivot into his offer. So the structure so far, the ad is engage with proper context in the beginning with a sentence, identify your prospect's problem that are having now, and then he's illustrating the solution to get out of pain and showing the opportunity. So basically once he's done that, then he goes into his offer, which is Spotify for Profits course. So basically what he does is he lists all of the elements of his offer. He sort of gives a few benefits. He sort of gives the price there. So he's saying you can get it for $47 instead of $197. So he's giving a super irresistible offer and deal. Then he's got a call to action. Then he's adding in some bonuses. So he's building up the value of his offer. And then he gives another call to action. And then he just finishes by saying a lot of artists quit after their first song. Some make it to their first EP, but most never see it through having consistent and constant streams or streams of their songs that support them full time. And I'll just go to the other part of the ad. Let's get you past trying to sell your album fast on album from stage, and start getting paid for streaming whilst you sleep soundly. Pick up my brand new Spotify for Profits at the link below. So basically what he's done there, he's basically gone into his offer and he's giving his call to action to basically get someone to go click over to the shopping cart page where basically people can enter their information and purchase his course. So basically that is basically the ad structure that you should be using in all of your ads in 2019. It's completely different to how most people teach you how to write Facebook ads in 2028, usually. So basically what I'm going to do is I'll just walk you through the formula again. So basically it's called the Epic Ad Formula. I picked this up from North Node Media, and it's quite simply the best Facebook ad copy formula out there because it works with Facebook's algorithm to help you find your ideal sort of customers and clients. So whether you're going after leads, writing your ads in this way will help Facebook to find the people who are most likely to convert, or if you're going after purchases, it will do exactly the same for you. So basically what you want to do is engage with proper context, like we do in the first sentence here, and identify your prospects ideal problem, which is people are trying to sell CDs, which isn't working anymore. And then what you want to do is illustrate the solution like they've done here, is pivoted from the problem and starting to pivot into the solution and how it will work by walking them through it. And then basically he pivots into the call to action and his offer, which he has done here. So guys, that is how you write Facebook ads in 2019. So basically go out, test out this ads copy formula in your ads, and I'm pretty sure you're going to see, you know, some great results as a result. Because just remember, your Facebook ad copy is, and the messaging, sorry, of your ads is the single most important element of a successful and profitable Facebook ad campaign next to your actual offers. So hope you really enjoyed that, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And also, I've got something really cool for you. If you'd like to see the behind the scenes of a Facebook ad campaign that was running, if it was running on $1,000 per day, if it was responsible for generating $150,000 per month in revenue, just click the link below in the description, enter your name and email address, and on the next page you will see a video where I'll walk you through this entire Facebook ad campaign that's spending $1,000 per day, why it's so successful, and I'll walk you through the funnel that's getting those results as well. And also in the description below, there's a link to my Facebook group if you'd like my help with your Facebook ad. So why not join the group and get my help if that is something you want to do. Also, if you really like the video, and why not subscribe and hit the notification button as well. Anyway guys, hope you really enjoyed today's training, and I look forward to speaking with you all soon.